1972 Buick Skylark GS convertible here at Unique Specialty and Classics. And yes, real deal GS. Rebuilt 350 V8 underneath the hood. That is bored 30 over. Power steering, power brakes, automatic transmission, turbo hydromatic, 350 to be exact. That's also been rebuilt. Of course, the beginning of the VIN with the 4G67 will tell you this is a true GS. Take a look at the chrome and bright work up front, headlight surrounds, grille. Of course, that cold air induction, I guess, if you will, as far as the hood goes. And we're going to take a peek underneath there in just a little bit, but if you want to see the still pictures of this car, so you'll be able to see the underside, interior, engine bay, trunk, car at every angle, top up, top down, close-ups of the top. All those still pictures are at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. And of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. Give you a good look at the wheels. Kind of that Buick rally wheel, I guess, if you will. Original paint coat on this car, 75 fire red. Let's go ahead and take a look down this passenger side. You can see paint shows well, panels are straight. Could use a mirror over here on the passenger side. This is one of those cars. Get in it, turn the key, drive it, have some fun. Local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. We have the ivory interior, kind of the saddle or tan power convertible top, and we'll check that out here before the end of the video's over. We're also going to have Jason take this for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. You can see bucket seats, center console, horseshoe shifter. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. As you can also see, dual exhaust. Get a good look at the chrome condition on the rear bumper. And once again, all those still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Some recent things done to this car. It does have coolant just recently flushed. Also new front speakers. Newer windshield, gaskets, and weather stripping. Brakes are all gone through. And once again, all those still pics, uniqueclassiccars.com. If you like these early 70s GM vehicles, maybe just into Buick Skylarks, GSs in general, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you may see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. The videos are uploaded daily, and when the videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase. You can do that online, right off our showroom floor, if you can make it to see us in person. Always like that. I have not noticed any major rips, tears, holes, or anything in the vinyl. And we're going to start it up here. Let you hear it run, take a peek underneath the hood. I'll show you how the convertible top goes up, top goes down. We'll check out all that here in just a bit. And you could see condition of the seats. Good shape. Again, no rips, tears, holes, seat belts front and rear. Let's go ahead and fire this one up. All right, so we do have some aftermarket gauges underneath the dash here, oil pressure, voltmeter, temp gauge. That was a cold start. We expect that to be up. AM, FM cassette. There we go, get off the high idle. Ooh, got a little rumble out of that 350. Top of the dash looks good. Slip around to the back so we can hear this. Door closes nicely. Let's take a listen. It's a nice sounding car, nice deep exhaust note. All right, let me slip up here to the front. I'm gonna pause this 1 second to get this hood open quick. Check out that engine bay and we'll check out the top. And like I said, stick around to the very end. There you get a look at the underside of the hood, and it is actually functioning. Because there's your intake. Always a cool setup on these GS's. Looks like we have a newer master cylinder brake booster too. Did mention the brakes were gone through, so it looks like that was done. HEI ignition, power steering. Again, that GS 350 intake. Sounds good, looks good underneath there. There is a battery disconnect I did notice over here for in between drives or when it's in storage. All right, let me go ahead and pause this a second. I want to get the tripod out. We're going to run this top up so we can check out the condition of that. And I'll show you the top functioning both up and down. All right, here we go, the top up. So as you can see, kind of camel or tan colored vinyl. Nice tight fit above the windshield. Also rolled up the side windows so we can see how those fit. I've not noticed any major rips, tears, holes, anything like that. Rear window, clear. And passenger side. No rips or tears or holes over here either. Really no discoloration. Top's in nice shape. Needed to keep you out of the sun or maybe a brief shower. It's going to work just fine. Passenger side glass, also a nice fit. All right. I'll show you the top going back down, and then we'll wrap up this video. 1972 Buick Skylark. Convertible, call us 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. And remember, stick around to the very end, even after I show you the top going down. Jason will take it for a drive, show you how it goes down the road.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 1972 Buick Skylark. This car is a convertible with a Grand Sport hood and the air intake to match. We have cold air intake, ram air on this car. Turn signal indicator is working. Nice smooth running Buick. When you use the original carburetors, they run really good. Fuel gauge showing almost full. Speedometer working as it should. The rest would be warning lights, and that's all looking good. Wipers are working on this car. I haven't had any air movement from the blower motor. JVC radio in the dash. That is working. Under the dash, some gauges from Bosch. The temperature about 175 right now on the engine, and the battery's charging at 14 volts. Oil pressure 45 to 50, so that's all looking great. Center console, automatic shifter, horseshoe style shifter, the one everybody loves to own. Nice interior, kind of a metallic white vinyl. That's my description anyway. Corners nicely. Kickdown's really good. No bog, just takeoff. Idle's good, great running. Buick. Take a look at all the pictures of this Buick Skylark convertible at uniqueclassiccars.com.